All right, so this is an important step. So first off, you're probably going to see that your SMTP is not connected. So an SMTP is something like SendGrid or Mailgun that allows you to send bulk emails. So in Vyper, we allow you to connect an an SMTP, so that you can actually send out your emails directly from the Vyper dashboard. So this is really helpful in engaging your entrants to your contest or your campaign, and making sure that they're coming back and staying engaged. So a few reasons why you'd want to do this is, one, you definitely want to get people coming back by incentivizing them. So for example, one could be, you've got double the points going at the moment for the next 2 weeks. Any referral gets double the points. Your contest is ending soon. Your contest is halfway through. You've added a new bonus action. You've added a new prize or reward. There's a bunch of stuff that you can incentivize people with in here. And you can see the open rates are really high too. The click-through rates are really high. And you get very little unsubscribes from here because they've opted in. They want to get heard from you, and they want to get updated on what's going on in the contest. So for here, I will just, for example, duplicate this to show you what it's like to edit an email. So again, you can use the shortcodes here. Make sure that you're putting in a really compelling subject line. This is the most important part about an email. You want to get them to open it. This is an example to say this is your last chance to win. In here, we are adding in like a bit of text. We're using the personalization name field, their share link, getting them to go back to the dashboard to check out all of their placements. So getting them to come back here. Remember, we want to get them to keep engaging with these bonus actions and keep referring people on all these platforms or sharing their link. So when you come back here, make sure that you edit your email so that it looks really nice, and you're adding some sort of benefit to them to open it and read it. Next section is you can choose who you want to send it to. So confirmed, unconfirmed, over or under, however many points. So here you can actually tailor who you want to engage with. So for example, people with low points, you might want to send them that update to say that they can get double points. People with high points, you might want to say new actions being added because they've likely finished all of the actions so far. Or you can literally just send it to everybody. Next, you want to set a send date, send time zone, and then flick that over to ready to send. You can also preview your email in here, so you can see that this is what the email is going to look like. So it looks all good before you send it. The next section here is, I just want to point out that the ESP and the SMTP are two different things. ESP is like MailChimp, Klaviyo, all that sort of stuff. So that's what you usually use for your email marketing. An SMTP usually does not really have a dashboard, and it's really made for sending out bulk emails and integrations. So one of the main ones we use is SendGrid, and it will walk you through the process of setting that up when you go to your account. Remember, in your account, you can manage your account here, and you'll go through that section to add your SMTP, your subdomains, whether you want to, how strict you want to be on GDPR compliance and all that sort of stuff. The main section, which is going to be in all contests, is the confirmation email. So under here, you'll be able to edit your confirmation email. This goes out to everybody as soon as they sign up to the contest. And the main part here is you want to get them to click the confirm link. So this gives you an extra data point when you're assessing the quality of a lead. So that's the first link in the email. Remember, those line dividers work really well. You want to have a really compelling first subject line. So confirm your email to validate your entry. So, it's making it sound like they have to validate it, because obviously they want to be validated because they want to win the prizes in your contest. And then the other thing is to get people to re-engage. So use dot points, numbers, GIFs, images, that sort of thing to re-engage people, get them to go complete those bonus actions. You can even redirect people to obviously go to your website, blog, shop, whatever you want. Another thing that we do see a lot of people doing is awarding, say on the front end of the contest, say sign up to our contest to get $5 off. You would want to put that $5 coupon code in this confirmation email. That's a great way to make sure that everybody who enters gets a prize. You can also add your instructions for, obviously getting anything you want in there across to the user to then claim their reward for entering. So as all of the other emails, you can preview it and set that and save it. So yeah, let us know if you've got any questions about the email stuff or the SMTP. It's really useful for people who want to engage all their contestants and participants, and I'll see you in the next step.